In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a landing page with Kit. We'll walk through the current workflow step by step, so by the end, you'll have a finished, shareable landing page that can start collecting subscribers for you right away. First, log into your Kit account and look at the top navigation bar. Up there, you'll see a tab called Grow. Hover over or click on that, and then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is the main area where all of your opt-in forms and landing pages are managed. Once you're on that screen, look for the button that says Create New. Click that, and when you're given the choice, select Landing Page. Kit will now open up a library of nearly 50 different templates. These are pre-designed layouts that you can customize, which is much faster than building from scratch. Take a moment to browse through the templates. Before you commit to one, use the Preview option. This lets you see how the landing page will look on both desktop and mobile, which is really important since a lot of your visitors will be on their phones. When you find a design that matches your brand or your goal, click the Choose button to start editing it. Now you're in the editor. Here, you can click directly on any headline, paragraph, or button to change the text. You can also swap out images to better match your offer or your brand colors. If you want to add more content, look for the plus icon on the left side. Clicking this lets you insert extra elements like image galleries, countdown timers for urgency, or even embedded videos to explain your offer in more detail. As you edit, think about clarity. Make sure your headline explains what you're offering and why someone should sign up. When the design looks good, move to the settings in the top right corner. In the General section, you decide what happens after someone subscribes. You can either show a simple success message on the page or redirect them to another URL, like a thank you page or a welcome video. In the Incentive section, you can upload your lead magnet, such as a PDF or another file. Kit will automatically deliver this when a subscriber confirms their email, which saves you time and ensures a smooth experience for them. In the Domain Name area, customize your landing page URL. You can either use the default Kit link or select a custom domain you've already connected, which looks more professional. When everything is set, click Save and Publish in the top right. This pushes your landing page live on the internet. Finally, click the Share button, copy the generated link, and start sharing it on your social media profiles, inside your emails, or on your website so you can begin collecting subscribers right away.